Let's review how to use the Connected Accounts accordion on the Settings page of Toolkit.law. Select the Settings section, then open the Connected Accounts accordion. Here, you'll see all available integrations organized into cloud storage, financial accounts, and social profiles. Under Cloud Storage, you can connect Box, Dropbox, Google Drive, and Microsoft OneDrive. These connections allow Toolkit.law to save outputs directly into your preferred cloud folder. Next, the Financial Accounts section includes PayPal and Stripe. Connecting these accounts enables you to receive payments and sell your services directly to Toolkit.law users. Each payment platform includes links to setup guides and help videos for easy configuration. At the bottom, you'll find social accounts. Here, you can add your Instagram, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, X, and YouTube web links. These links appear throughout your Toolkit.law profile, allowing clients to connect with you across professional platforms. The Connected Accounts accordion centralizes all integrations in one place. And that is how you use Toolkit.law's Connected Accounts accordion.